Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today we are diving deep into an amazing job opportunity with Oracle. So where it is one of the world's leading tech company where they are hiring for the role of associate test automation engineer. So if you are passionate about problem solving, testing and programming, this could be your dream role. So stay tuned till the end as we're all going to discuss all the details about this job role. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and also what are the day-to-day response are there. Each and everything are discussed in this video. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, the lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk a little bit about the Oracle and the job role. So before we jump into it, the Oracle, where it is a global leader in the database software, in the cloud technologies, and also enterprise solution. And it has a reputation for the innovation, excellence, and much more. So, right? So, Oracle, where it is offering a incredible career growth opportunities. So, now let's break down the what exactly the test automation engineer role is all about. Right? Now, let's talk the responsibilities as the test automation you will be doing. So, as a associate test automation engineer, so you will be a part of the dynamic project team where your main responsibilities include like analyzing the situations and data to provide the qualified quality work products, and you deliver the functional and the technical solutions. A second is of following the standard practices and also procedures to ensure the project success. Third is of engaging with the problem solving activities with guidance from the Oracle's methodologies. And fourth is of you will be implementing the Oracle's product and the technologies where you will meeting the customers need across all the various industries. So this role offers a chance to work on the real world projects and where you will be making the meaningful impact in the world. Now let's talk about the skills and the qualifications that are required for this role. So you need to have a analytical and problem solving skills and a strong foundation in identifying and solving the complex issues, and you have a basic understanding of languages like Java, Python, SQL or other program languages where it is used in a testing automation work, and you have knowledge of testing tools like Selenium and Eggplant, and having experience with the version control systems like Git and the continuous integration tools, and having the understanding of testing and doing the bug identifying the bugs. So where it is a clear grasp of testing the methodologies and the bugs life cycle, and which will be making you crucial for this role. So the skills that ensures you to hit the ground running and grow with the Oracle's amazing team, right? So why you need to join Oracle? So first, learning opportunities will be there where you will work alongside with industry's experts and gain the hands-on experience with the cutting edge technologies. Second will be of career growth where Oracles is known for its nurturing the talent and providing the extensive growth opportunities for the employees. Third will be of global reach. You will work on the projects that have a worldwide impact, and you will have a like Oracle is committed to fostering their inclusive and innovation workplace as well. So with Oracles, you are not just about joining a company where you will being a part of the global tech community as well. Now, how to apply for this? So it is very simple. The link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirect to this page, and you can simply press on apply button. You can apply for this role, and make sure that your resume highlights your programming, testing, and problem solving skills where you can stand out from the crowd. So that's all you need to know about the world class team and career test automation engineer. So don't miss this opportunity to work at Oracle, and it is a company that will be shaping the future of the technology. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to opportunity and for more updates, and also drop your questions and thoughts in the comment below. We would love to hear you, and until next time, I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Good luck with your application.